a little bit of a challenge that I am doing for myself, and I wanted to share with you because it's fantastic. It's a challenge though, and a challenge means that it's not easy. I guess that's the essence of challenge, right? So first of all, I am watching the road. I'm not watching you in the camera, so just so you know that, so you're feeling better about this whole thing. And next up, my challenge is to strike up a conversation and to give a full presentation to a random stranger. By random stranger, I mean anybody who is not on a lead card and who I do not know. So the way that I'm doing this challenge, I am trying to do at least one a day. One a day, like a good full-time vitamin, women's one a day. Well, this is our insurance one a day. So in doing this, I am talking to people who their name's not on a lead card, and it could be anyone. So like yesterday, for instance, I pulled into a driveway that was not where I was going because of construction. I needed to pull in there. Well, in doing that, I went to the door to make sure it was okay that I parked in this lady's driveway. I sometimes do that, sometimes don't. Well, struck up conversation with this lady and ended up offering her the information. So she said, sure, I have 10 minutes. So I went through all the information with her, went through, health questions and pricing and everything, and it was amazing. So that was my one for yesterday. In the last 2 weeks, I have made 5 sales doing this, and I've really helped people out. It's been tremendously enjoyable and hard. That's why it's called a challenge. I mean, it wouldn't be a challenge if it wasn't hard, but just get out of my comfort zone is what I've been telling myself. Like, go talk to people. People are not really scary. I think I am generally more frightening to them knocking on their door randomly than they are to me. So just go talk to people. Make it a great day.